See right there, there's this button here will do up, and then your neck is wide open. You just have to put a scarf on to close it up, and I'm going to put a Velcro strap like that. But I got to seal it right there as well. Okay, I got one piece on the button, and I just gotta right. Oh, it's on the inside. Right about there, like that. Just go like that. Okay. Like that. I'll mark it right like that, and I'll bring it at an angle like that. You can hardly notice the Velcro. And my neck isn't cold, and I'm off to the store, and I'll show you on the computer why I need this today. It's cold out. Look at that, minus 28 Celsius, or the wind chill, 38. I'll click that into Fahrenheit. Minus 19 Fahrenheit. Wind chill minus 36 Fahrenheit. Right at this very edge it's coming, so I'm going to get some needle and thread. I'll put it right to the edge. I'll put it over the edge and then I'll just trim it off a bit. Right about like that. This stuff's good for lots of fixes. That was a pretty easy fix. No buttons or anything. This jacket here is probably meant for a scarf right there. Okay, I'm going to give it a try.